Hey guys, we received this COOFANDY men's cotton linen Henley shirt for test and try. It's a long sleeve hippie casual beach t-shirt. So you can see comes in nice bag. So let me just open and see. So this one can be used like both ways. It's a long sleeve, but have buttons in between, so you can fold the sleeves. And there's a little nice collar, and the material is nice and soft. So this is good for summers. And then have this side, so you can also use in the middle of this, so you can fold these sleeves. And then it's wide like the set here with the buttons. So it's a comfortable wear, looks nice. And then you can see like it's a casual wear thing, and just fits well, looks nice, and then also have a really good summer feel.